Hi friends, and welcome back to our channel. So today you're gonna help me organize my pantry. It's such a disaster. I can't believe I let it go for this long. So come along with me. Let me show you what we're dealing with. As you can see, it is a complete mess. Everything is kind of tossed around. Nothing's organized. Everything is definitely not in its right place. Y'all know how busy life gets, so I eat something really quick, or Jonny eats something really quick, and we just toss it back. I mean, what's up with the plastic cups in my pantry? Don't even get me started about this shelf. Can I ask you, why are there envelopes in my pantry? So the other day, I did a huge TJ Maxx haul. So what we're gonna do, friends, we're gonna get this pantry organized, deep cleaned, and in tip-top shape once and for all. So guys, this is everything I bought from TJ Maxx. I'm so excited to show you, so let's dig in and get to it. Okay friends, so first let me show you all the different sealed jars that I got. I wanted to get something with a rubber seal because I'm going to be putting a lot of our pre-workout and protein powders in here, so I wanted something that would definitely lock out the moisture. So these two large jars here, they were $7.99, and these are going to be for our protein powders. The one over here was $5.99. This is the medium size jar. And the smaller jars over here, which were $3.99, these are going to have various things. They're either going to have some of our basmati rice or oatmeal. I love these. These bottles over here were $1.99, and I am going to be putting all of the various oils that we use to cook with. And finally, I got a bunch of different baskets. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to be putting a bunch of our different condiments in there and larger items that I just don't want exposed on the shelf. So right now, I'm going to be taking everything off to start deep cleaning. Okay guys, so I took everything off of the shelves. So right now I am just dusting and wiping everything down, as you can see, just cleaning off the shelves here one by one. And then I am going to continue by wiping down the floors. As you can see, it is pretty dusty. If you've watched my previous vlog, An All Day Clean with Me, you know I am obsessed with this laminate floor cleaner. I will link it again below. What I'm gonna do is finish wiping down these floors, and guys, let me show you the mess that is my kitchen right now. So on my island right here, this is everything that's been in the pantry, and in just a little bit I am going to be organizing everything. You're not even gonna recognize this pantry, guys. So this is the mess that is my kitchen as of right now. And what I'm going to be doing first is I'm going to be labeling all the jars with a really cool Sharpie pen that actually writes on glass. Warning guys, if you make a mistake, you can wipe it off within the first 5 seconds, but it stays on there if you leave it longer than that. So what I did first was I made a list to kind of map out which jar is going to be for different products. So as you can see right now, I'm labeling all of the jars with this super cool Sharpie pen that I got at Walmart. I will link it in the description below. And next, what I'm going to show you is the finished product, which I think turned out so cute. Voila, guys, here you go. As you can see, everything is labeled, everything is organized here. We have our protein powder, olive oil, oatmeal. All the essentials are now in their own little jar. So guys, let's start organizing. And just like that, friends, my kitchen is back to normal. What a transformation, right, everybody? One thing, I still need to find a place to put this lunchbox. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click on those notifications below, and we'll see you on our next adventure.